Lake Garda, the largest and one of the most spectacular lakes in Italy, is located in the northern part of the country. Its diverse landscape, with imposing mountains in the north and a more temperate and Mediterranean atmosphere in the south, creates a unique environment for visitors. The lake's extensive shoreline, stretching over 250 kilometers, offers an abundance of activities that appeal to nature lovers, adventure seekers, and those in search of relaxation. More than just a place of natural beauty, Lake Garda is a hub for outdoor recreation and adventure. Thanks to favorable winds, the lake is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, with sailing, windsurfing and kite surfing particularly popular. The surrounding region is steeped in history, dotted with ancient cities and also home to relaxing spas, an ideal escape for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. One of the most charming towns along the lake is Malcesine, located at the foot of Monte Baldo. This picturesque town, crowned by a medieval fortress, invites visitors to explore its narrow cobblestone streets, lively harbor, and picturesque piazzas. Its ancient village is renowned for its captivating charm, and its proximity to Monte Baldo allows for easy access to inland adventures. Monte Baldo, often called the Garden of Europe, offers exceptional views of Lake Garda and is home to a unique array of flora that ranges from Mediterranean to alpine. Malcesine has also inspired many great artists and poets, most notably the German poet Goethe, who visited in 1786 and poetically captured the beauty of the town in his famous work, Italian Journey. One of the highlights of this town is the Monte Baldo cable car, which takes you up to a height of 1,780 meters, offering incredible panoramic views of the lake and mountains. The journey includes a stop in San Michele, allowing visitors to appreciate the changing landscape during the ascent. On the southern shore is Lazise, a historic town that ranks among the most visited places in Italy. Despite its size, it attracts more visitors than larger cities such as Bologna and Naples, thanks to its scenic beauty, numerous restaurants and shops, and its proximity to popular amusement parks. The town is also known for its well-preserved Scaliger Castle, built by the powerful Scaliger family. Although the castle itself is not open to the public, the surrounding area, with its sandy beaches and promenade, offers plenty of opportunities to relax and enjoy the lake. Lazise is famous for its smooth, sandy beaches, which provide an ideal setting for leisurely strolls or sunbathing. One of the lake's top family attractions is Gardaland, Italy's largest and most popular amusement park. Located near the eastern shore in Castelnuovo del Garda, Gardaland has been a favorite since it opened in 1975. It has since expanded into a magical wonderland, filled with thrilling rides like Black Hole, Flight of the Dinosaur, and Magic Mountain, which are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Visitors can also enjoy the Legoland Water Park and the themed Sea Life Aquarium, perfect for younger visitors. Gardaland offers facilities for everyone, including ramps and accessible areas, making it a welcoming destination for families of all ages. For an extended stay, Gardaland offers themed accommodations at its 3 on-site hotels, Gardaland Hotel, Gardaland Adventure Hotel, and Gardaland Magic Hotel, where you can choose between standard rooms or fun-themed options. Booking tickets in advance online not only saves time, but often offers discounts, and it's worth checking the park schedule to catch one of its many fun shows or events. Another must-see on the southern shore is Sirmione, a charming town set on a narrow peninsula jutting out into the lake. The approach to Sirmione is like stepping into a fairy tale. You cross a drawbridge over a moat and enter the town through the gates of the medieval Castello Scaliger, a fortress built in the 12th century by the ruling family of Verona to defend themselves from Milan. While the Venetian Empire later took control of the castle, it has been meticulously restored and visitors can now explore the interior and climb the tower for breathtaking views of the lake and town. Before the Scaliger family, Sirmione was a favorite destination for the Romans, who flocked to the area to enjoy its sulfur-rich thermal springs. Today, those same springs form the basis of luxury spas that attract weekend visitors seeking rejuvenation. Despite its quiet location on the peninsula, Sirmione is easily accessible by car and is a lively town with upscale boutiques and cafes lining its streets. At the tip of the Sirmione Peninsula is one of northern Italy's most remarkable archaeological sites, the Grotte di Catullo. This vast complex of Roman ruins is thought to have been the villa of the famous poet Catullus, who lived in the 1st century BC. The size of the ruins has puzzled historians, with some speculating that it may have been an ancient spa or retreat. A small museum at the entrance provides excellent context for the ruins, and from there visitors can enjoy sweeping views of the lake in every direction. Further north, at the tip of the lake, is Riva del Garda, a beautiful town that seamlessly blends medieval charm with sunny waterfront promenades and parks. The town is dominated by a Venetian watchtower perched high on the Rocchetta, while its lively port is anchored by a historic clock tower. To the east of town, the ancient Rocca del Riva, a fortress from the Scaliger era, now houses the Museo Civico, where you can explore prehistoric and medieval artifacts. For those who enjoy water sports, the beach at nearby Torbol is world famous for windsurfing, thanks to the strong winds that sweep across the northern. On the western shore of the lake, Gardone Riviera has long been a haven for artists, writers and those seeking relaxation. The town's grand hotels and villas were built in the late 19th century, attracting visitors from far and wide. Notable attractions include the Vittorio degli Italiani, the former home of poet and writer Gabriele D'Annunzio, and the splendid botanical gardens of the Heller Foundation, which feature plants from around the world. Finally, the charming village of Torre del Benaco, nestled on the eastern shore, is home to the imposing Castello Scaligiero, a medieval castle built in 1383. Inside, the castle houses a museum that explores the history of the region, with exhibits on olive oil production, including an ancient olive press dating back to Roman times. One of the castle's unique features is an 18th century lemon grove, a testament to the area's rich agricultural past. A visit to the castle rewards you with panoramic views of the lake and the village below, making it the perfect place to end your trip to Lake Garda. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of Lake Garda, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or personal experiences, and subscribe to receive other travel updates.